good, YouTube? We're gonna do a box Chevy cold start. It's about -8, -9 degrees in Fort Wayne right now. So the box been sitting in the garage, so it was probably -1 in the garage. So we gonna see what she do. Start her up. If I can find my key. Let's get in here. Let's see what she do. Box Chevy, reliable, faithful. Let her run for about 15 minutes. Oh. Can't wait for my center console to come in. Get my ceiling fixed. Was gonna put some more rims on here, but got some stuff going on I gotta do for early next year to get ready for. So priorities, you know. Car gonna be here forever, so gotta get some shit in order. So it's all good, we'll get it there. Yeah, there's a lot of heat coming out this month for shoes. UNC 9s, them Bread 6s, I can't wait. It's gonna be a good month, February. Birthday Friday, we finna gear up all month. I'm celebrating all month out here. Alright, YouTube, I'm gone. Subscribe, share. Just want to put this quick little video up here, show how cold it is in Fort Wayne and in this area, man. That's crazy. The kids ain't had school today or they ain't got school tomorrow. -8 during the day. It's crazy. -20 at night, -30 at night. It's ridiculous. All right, I'm gone.